In this video, we will see how we can add tags. First, make sure that a bscan window is the active window. The active window in GPR Insights is surrounded by a magenta box. Once a bscan is the active window, the Add Tags tool will appear in the toolbar. Select this tool and click at a location of interest to create a tag. Automatically, the tag information section will appear on the right panel. You can set a name for this tag and an icon from the list of available icons. You can also set the diameter if known and add some comments specific to this tag. We can also go back to the bscan and click to create more tags at locations of interest. Once finished, we can click on the Done button to save the tags, or we can cancel this process. Now the tags are saved in the project, and we can see a list of the created tags in the interpretation section in the left panel. From here we can delete, hide, or show a specific tag. Tags with the same name are grouped under the same folder, and we can hide or show all the tags in the specific folder, but also we can hide or show all the tags that exist in the data.